Technical leader David Riley says Jamaica's juniors exceeded their projections at the just concluded World Under-20 Athletics Championships in Cali, Colombia. The 16 medals won was the highest the nation has ever gotten at any World Athletics Championships. They returned home on Sunday. Performances earlier in the season gave a hint that the Jamaican team assembled for the World Athletics Under-20 Championships would improve their output from last year's event in Kenya. But the nation's juniors gave a performance that exceeded any other from a Jamaican team at the championships in Cali, topping the table in terms of number of medals.
Being able to put together the staff and have the staff work in the way that they did to get it going and to realize or exceed our projections. We had said 15 medals and we end up with 16, so it's an incredible performance exceeding all of our expectations, and we're very pleased.
It was already confirmed that Tina Clayton would be leaving the junior scene for the professional ranks before her successful 100-meter title defense in Cali. But not much could top 2 gold medals from 2 finals.
How more proud can I be going to the championship and defending my title, running and getting back a world record on the 4x1. How more proud can I be? So I think that is now time for me to step up and do my best at the senior levels now.
Jadon Hibbert's 17.27-meter gold medal winning triple jump effort, which would have landed him 4th at the Senior World Championships in Oregon, is even more impressive for a 17-year-old. Even more spectacular was that he achieved the performance, which sees him move to 8th on the all-time list for juniors after experiencing discomfort the day before.
During the prelims, I had a slight step back with my run-up, and my foot was kind of hurting because it was my first time jumping on that track. My foot wasn't used to that track. But after I got everything all right the night before and then set my mental to say, all right, I'm going out there, I'm going to try my best. I delivered, but I honestly did not know I would deliver that much.
Speaking of all-time lists for juniors, Karika Hill is now the 5th fastest ever over 100-meter hurdles, with her 12.77 seconds winning time at the meet.
The hurdles race was just, going into the race, I was just thinking to win, not thinking about no record, no time, just wanted to win. So the race itself was intense because all the athletes are quality. So I just ran my own race and came out victorious, and I'm very pleased with that.
The LSU bound Brianna Liston sees her 22.65 seconds winning time for the 200 meters as a springboard for success as a senior.
Well, I think these junior championships will help prepare us for the professional route. So to come out here and see that I topped the chart kind of motivates me.